Cannot complain. Cannot complain. I had a very good weekend. Spent some time with friends and family. Got to reset, recharge, and now time to make some moolah in the stock market. Ding, 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 ding. Market's open, baby.
So 279.
Market's open. Sorry, Greg, what were you saying?
279. So daily level I have here. So checking it right now.
Tesla, absolute ripper off the open. Let's see. Okay. Darn. Seems like that's just the move it these days. Just rip calls off the open, huh? Like that's the wave these days, huh? Whenever we have data or whenever we have an open, just calls, longs. Reminds me of 2021. That was crazy. That was literally just wait for dips and buy calls every single day. 1,000 a friend. Okay, Team Bo. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. This market's got about an hour for me today. As you guys know, Mondays are not my strongest trading days. So we're going to keep that in mind. Trade smart, trade safe, and see if we can catch one nice banger. Enjoy the rest of our day. $23,300. Come on, Nasdaq, give us something. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, TikTok. It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having a blessed morning and had a discipline-filled and blessed weekend. As a reminder, make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you hit that subscribe. If you'd like full screen share, everybody, I'm live on YouTube as well at Jdun Trades, Jdun Trades, live on YouTube. If you're already on YouTube, appreciate you being here. If you're new here, just know you can ask around chat. I do my absolute best to find you guys winning trades with system, with the right process, and with focus every single day. So sometimes it takes us an hour. Sometimes we don't trade at all. Sometimes it takes us 15 minutes. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll do my absolute best to help you guys learn today, learn how to fish, and also have a nice fish lunch, baby. Come on now. I do mentor. Hit that follow button. You'll learn a lot of what I know live here on the live stream. The best place to be is inside the Discord. There's no lag. There's Zoom every day. But I like to give these streams for free, help us reach a new audience, help you guys see what I'm about. So if these are helpful to you, make sure you tap in, hit that follow button, and let's get it. Boy Nigel, $800 daily payout for 6-minute workday. Ken Mastermind student banking. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. Oh my gosh, market just ripping. Just absolute face ripper. Absolute face ripper. I'm watching for this Tesla 330 area bounce too. And if you didn't see my Instagram, I'm going to be trading futures with you guys every day, but also for my options traders, I am going to start dabbling back into some individual names. Maybe not every day, but with markets at all-time highs, sometimes the best opportunities will come from individual names. Obviously, you can find day trades and scalps daily on futures as well, but you know, if there's any inefficiency in the market in an individual name and we can take advantage of it, why wouldn't we? My main watch is still my baby NQ, but Teslas came back into the family as well. All y'all remember the Tesla days. Wherever. He's back. Holding above pre-market high too. Yep, big zone, another 100-point range. No trades for me yet. Just going to stay patient, focused. Certainly not shorting this trend until it gives me some sort of confirmation. holding above pre-market highs. You can see on screen share. Going to have almost equal volume to the opening candle. So this is clearly a strong uptrend. What you could watch, though, technically speaking, if we close here, I don't like trading the first 15 minutes, but it is on our table of options to watch a pullback into this pre-market high. Ideally, you'd want to see out one more candle here. It's like GD talked about at BullCon on Friday. You have that fair value gap here, impulse candle with the pre-market high right here. You can look for a pullback into here, buy, keep stops below this candle, and then rip it. Little better entry to wait for a move down into this 300 area, pop back up, then keep the stop below and hopefully move back up. Buenos dias from Medellin. Those in Colombia chilling. QQ mover up. Still haven't made the 15-minute range. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'll be watching for this move back down the pre-market high for longs, everybody. That's my main watch right now. Considering we're literally at all-time highs right now, that's, you know, your options are limited when you don't have that data to work with. So we'll watch for that level up or down there, excuse me. You gotta take what you get when you're at all-time highs. They're a beautiful thing, but they can also be an interesting thing you have to adapt to. That's why I'm going to be trading some individual stocks as well. This 330 area on Tesla is my main watch for a bounce, that break and retest. I just want to see a bit lower in the 330s. Do we happen is still the question in my existence? Yep, I got a ton of fire videos on my YouTube. Everyone on TikTok. Lots of fire. Jdun Trades. I'm also live there. Oh, like I won a championship game. I'd be no was game time. We're literally at all-time highs. All right, the range is set, y'all. And we are doing nothing but ripping.
I'll kick it you 564.73. Daily level. So what happened?
Microsoft ripping. As a reminder, guys, if you guys are trading on Apex or Tradeify, make sure you use code JDUN, JDUN, for the best possible discount. It's also worth noting the FFF, my old firm, the Funded Futures family, just dropped straight to funded accounts. If you guys go to fundedfuturesfamily.com, use code JDUN, you'll get 40% off all accounts. Please go milk my old firm. Nothing would make me happier, my friends. They just dropped straight to funded. And actually, decent rule is 25% consistency. Not bad. Where do you join live on Team Bull? You can message me on Instagram. If you want the Discord link or if you want access to the free Discord, either one, DM me on Instagram. It's the only place that I answer DMs. Yeah, Jonathan will tell you. Appreciate you, bro. You guys can always message me on Instagram. It's verified, and it's the only safe place to message me. Otherwise, it's not me talking to you. Hey, let's go. See Price. See Price said, done for the day, fam. Trade smart, trade safe. Team Bull for life. Let's go. Yo, I'm still watching Tesla. It's hitting, but I like to think of individual stocks a similar way I think to NQ and futures, right? I like to see 5-minute candle closures. I don't like that we're below pre-market low. I like that hourly retest. I just need a little more confirmation before I can try any longs on Tesla, especially catching a falling knife. And NQ is just doing its own. There's just no way I'm trying to catch the top of this. Hey, RC, let's go Humble Han today. Humble Honda Day for RC. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. Killing it, dog. Like what am I supposed to do with this on NQ? Literally just 4 aggressive moves up. I like the idea if we can retest that 310 area, that pre-market high. I like the idea of that. Our 15-minute high is up here at 348. So, I mean, that's technically an option for us to bounce. Let's see, from 350 to 3, we almost went 40 points. That typically breaks my rule. If we go above around 40 points above our opening range high or low, I typically won't try the retest, only because it brings your probabilities down significantly. Trying a small piece of Tesla longs for all my individual traders. I tried a small piece of Tesla longs for individual stock traders. It's a little higher risk because it's a reversal, but I like that 5-minute chart. Still watching NQ. My stops on Tesla are going to be below that low wick at 329.4. Blew up my funded with that. What do you mean? Oh, the Drake candle. I was like, what did I do? I didn't even call anything on Tesla. I did try a small piece though. I like that 5-minute reversal doji there. Or not doji, excuse me, pin bar. If we end up flushing that low, I'm going to get out. No trades on NQ yet. We can watch for that 350 area. Can watch for this 350 area. It's higher risk because we already moved 40 points from that high. Just about. I was at BullCon. We were trading live. I was trading live with my students on Friday. We had our in-person event. Let me show you. That's why I wasn't on YouTube or TikTok Friday. I was trading with my students live at the office. Check this out. You can see here, kind of. Computer set up, trading live with all my students at the office. This is at the Team Bull headquarters. What do you guys think? Should I open that up more often? Should I trade with more students in person? Who would want to trade with Jdun live in person? Who wants to sit in front of me and trade stocks with me in Colorado? Just to be aware, the energy comes in person too. It's just for master mentor students right now, but we might change that if eventually have some different meetups or options. You can come with me live in person. Nice job, RC. That was awesome trading live. Had 4 correct directional biases, just couldn't end up banging any trades. If you're on Team Bull Live trading on the stage, you heard that. Still moving up on NQ. No pullback. Thesis stays the same, guys. If we pull back to this 350, I'm open to it. I don't love the setup because we moved so much higher off the 15-minute high. But I'll watch that. I have no rejects. As we're trading at all-time highs, I'm not going to reject that. Just wait and see. I'm still in these Tesla longs as well. My stop is set at 329.3. Honestly, don't have any other levels on Tesla. If we fail this previous day, high resistance, retest, then I don't have anything else. Maybe around 325 we could find some support, but those fuckers got me. They got me on my Tesla, guys. Not in Tesla. They got my stop at 329.3. Those first day back, setup looked great. And it pinged me. Hit that 330. Previous day resistance turn support, break and retest with a solid pin bar, higher volume. Nothing. That's dirty, Tesla. That's dirty. That's a dirty dog. 329.3 got hit and out. It's okay. It's a Monday, so it's kind of expected for me. No trades on futures yet, guys. No trades on NQ. Just waiting for potentially 350. Ideally, we'd see a more aggressive pullback into 310. Hit that pre-market high. We got some EMAs stacking up there. So we'll see. Don. Tesla and Nvidia not doing a whole lot. Five-minute, 15-minute. Oh. Where you going, Gene? So where are you going? Al baño. Al baño. Just straight up on NQ. Sad thing is I could have even seen, if we would have been at a key level reject, I could have seen some sort of, who thinks they can call me during trading hours? Don't know who you are, trading, got to go by. Nope. Not going to happen. Yeah, people always ask, they say, Jdun, how long did it take you to become profitable? And for me, it was over 3 years, but you have to understand that you don't just one day become profitable and then you make money forever. You have to stay disciplined. You have to keep learning, because you could be profitable for 6 months and then blow up. You could be profitable for a year, 2 years, then blow up. So, to me, staying consistently profitable is, having multiple years consistently in the green year to date, and then having a set system where you can manage risk, keep your losers smaller and your winners bigger. That's how I look at consistently profitable. I just forgot to add my coffee here. I need to chug this baby. You ain't even know this. Bro, you got to relax. Jonathan's going to mute you, bro. As a reminder, TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you tap and hit that follow button. I trade live for you guys every single day. And on futures, we're hitting bangers today. I started the day with a small L on Tesla, trying to get back into individuals. Setup looks great. No dice for me, but at futures, no trades yet. Also, reminder. Oh, whoops. Sorry, Greg. My speaker switched off. Sorry, Greg. My speaker switched off. My apologies. Also, as a reminder, I'm live on YouTube as well, so make sure you tap in. You can go to YouTube, JDUN Trades, Jdun Trades on YouTube. Full screen share. There is a bit more of a lag, but nonetheless, we're live every day, baby. Absolute face ripper on a Monday. Honestly, bro, these days where we're hitting all-time highs and there's no deep pullbacks into key levels, I just wait, man. Rapido. Rapido. Hello? I'm streaming. Yeah. Baja NQ immediente y dame una operación. Did I say that right, Greg? I tried to say NQ move down immediately and give me a trade. Baja NQ immediante y dame una operación. Operación. Rápido, rápido. Hey, Gene. Oh, he's in the bathroom. Damn, bro's blowing up my toilet. That's crazy. Yep. Oh, yeah, for sure. What up? Hey, will you can you go upstairs and move the Lambo out of the driveway? All right. Yeah, just Maddie's trying to leave and it's the Huracan's behind her. All right, thank you. You can just move it on the side of her car. All right, bye. Thank you. Hate when your Lambo's in the driveway and you got to move it so the wife can get out. Nate said slight flex. It's okay though. I would too. It wasn't even supposed to be like that. The wife called. She said, "Can you have Gene move the car? I'm trying to leave." Well, damn. You guys feel me? Such an inconvenience. Got to start the car up, use some gas, move it. Yeah, if all y'all want to come and move it, you can. Bro said, hate when my Lambo's in the driveway. Who wants to come move it? Which one of y'all wants to come move it? Okay. I just see Gene driving away. Sorry, guys. I just personally can't take anything up here. I'm not going to try to short this aggressive move up, and also I certainly am not going to try to long the top. That's just not how I trade. I did get stopped in my Tesla trade. Yes, sniper. I tried it, and then when it popped below 329.3, I got out. Honestly, the setup looked great, though. We had that previous day. So if you go here to Tesla, right? And if you go to the hourly chart, it's on TikTok. You had this previous day, resistance turned support. So when we touch this in the 5-minute chart with that pin bar, higher, more aggressive buying volume, you can see here, it was worth a try with stops below this candle. It just didn't happen to work out that time. That'll work out probably 4 or 5 out of 10 times, though. When it does, I'm getting paid big time. What's up, dog? Thank you for moving the lamb chop. I was gonna see you driving away, taking a joyride. Yeah. I just see you driving down the street. See you in Nebraska. You love Nebraska. My own boys doubted me. Staying super patient. What are you watching, Greg? 275? 375. Duh, not 275. Anything for Eugene? I don't like where we're trading at either. It'll probably be no futures trade Monday. We'll see. I'm using the restroom. Y'all be back in 1 sec. You guys know I take the fat. I'm not only the #1 trader on the internet, I'm the fastest peer on the internet who does not wash his hands at home unless it's number 2. Did you put the trash out? Jacob? What? Did you put the trash out? Yeah. Okay. I was wondering. Yeah. I didn't see it. First day back for individuals. Took a loss on Tesla, Gene. Took a loss on Tezzy, baby. Small, but less than $1,000. Still a loss, though. Oh, yeah, it's just behind the bush. You can't see it. Had me second guessing myself, bro. Stay tuned. As a reminder, TikTok, if you guys are here, or YouTube, if you guys are trading on prop firms, make sure you use code Jdun for discipline over dopamine. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, level up, and stay disciplined in your trading. It's not about being perfect. It's about having good to decent entries, good to decent focus, and great risk management. If you can do those things, you make money, you get paid out long term. If you use code Jdun with Apex, you'll get 80% off. Tradeify, you'll get 35% off. And with FFF, you'll get 40% off. Let's go. Ho, 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 ho. I was hoping we'd get a pullback down. Just haven't gotten it. Personally, staying ultra patient. Another strong 5-minute candle on Tesla. Still on 320.5. If we pull back into this Tesla candle, I'm going to give it one more slight go on longs. Last try if we get a slight pullback in this candle. I don't love the NQs at all-time highs, but five. Let's see, the 1 minute looks decent. Started a light longs position on Tesla at 330. I'd like to see 329.5. If I lose 2 trades on Tesla, I'm done trading that name for the day. Did try a slight longs position. We got a 15-minute reversal. Another 5-minute strong candle off that previous resistance turn support. I'd still like to see Nasdaq pull down to 3, that 15-minute high. Don't. I mean, Tesla's up, but it's not up nearly enough to trim. I'd like to see, honestly, I'd like to see us break above the midline here. So, of the high, I'd like to see us break above 333. I'm just getting back into trade individuals. So, taking it lighter, taking things lighter, just getting back in the groove. If you guys remember, I posted that video yesterday, that live log, and I made over 70K in a day on Tesla. I had my biggest day ever for a long time was that 47K. That was on Tesla too. Now my biggest day is almost 90 grand. That was on SPY, but just getting myself back in the groove of watching it every day. Nasdaq's pretty simple because I have my key levels and it's all pretty slow, right? So I can watch this as you guys see on the chart. If you get to my key levels, the 5-minute chart, I can be like, hey, I'm entering this, but in the meantime, why not watch individuals too? $70 minis. Pray. Gee, my goodness. I will pray for you. That 5-minute candle does not look good. There we go. But a dollar move off that 330 on Tesla so far. I want to see 333 plus though. I'd like to see a $3 move out of this. 3-1 risk reward. No trades on me for Nasdaq yet, guys. Just staying super patient. I see a lot of you guys ask how you can message me. Guys, the best way to message me and the only place I answer DMs is on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. It's verified with 212K followers. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Stay patient, Team Bowl. I pinned it on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Yep, you guys you should be following me there. I have a ton of good value. That's where I answer all DMs. It's safe for you guys because it's verified. 331, I got a dollar plus move on Tesla. Dollar plus move on Tesla so far, which is good, but I want more out of it. What do we think, Team Bull? Which way we heading? Holding this 400. Still nothing for me in terms of that NQ. LAX. Might be a no Nasdaq Monday for me. Took that first loss on Tesla and I'm still in that second Tesla trade. So if it stops me below that low, then I'm going to be out of Tesla and no more individual trades. Got a dollar move off Tesla so far. Actually, $1.20. So technically speaking, it was around 1-to-1, but not nearly enough for me to take any off. Just equity today. I'm just getting back into trading the individual names, so taking it easy. I'm working on scaling up and sizing up on NQ and futures. I've been trading that every single day, but as I get my groove back with the individual names I'm going to be trading alongside Nasdaq, I will be sizing up as I earn it. But when I go back to trading, say Tesla, or if I want to start trading ES more, I'd have to earn my size. That's how I look at it. I don't just get to trade size because I have a lot of money. I got to earn my size on anything that I trade. No Nasdaq. Well, Tech, I tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm not always right, but I'm pretty good at what I do, I like to think. I just personally like NQ and how it moves more. Second Tesla trade is going to stop me out, huh? 328.4. Small, but so I wanted to see us. If we would have popped 333, likely would have went and tested that pre-market high, and that would have been a nice, well, not nice green day, but smaller green with that big 4-hour trade. The trash man. No Nasdaq or any futures or index trades for me so far, guys. Staying patient. How are those printing? Well, I'm not printing anything right now. We'll see. See how it ends up. When do we call it a day? It depends. I'll typically, on Mondays, I trade wider and less because I typically don't do as well, which I'm seeing in real time right now. My stats tell me that I don't trade as well as I typically do on Mondays. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll trade longer than Fridays, typically 2 hours and done. Most days you can expect me to be here on 2 hours. Come on, let's see Tesla get this move up. Sweep down, slight higher low. Let's see if we can move up now. The bright side, I know I had the right idea on Tesla, the right stop below that previous candle low. If we can pop up and hold this 330, we should see a nice move up. But if we fail it, then we know that it's just no dice there. That previous resistance turn support isn't going to pay out, and we move forward. You can use that same thesis on Nasdaq, right? We had this previous, right, resistance turn support. Okay, we had a gap up, so strong name. You had a pullback to previous resistance turn support. And you see us come. We have solid aggressive pin bar up, solid aggressive pin bar up. This is the first trade I got stopped on. And then second one was this try here at 330, just above around here. Stops below here. Hopefully we can see this nice move up. So intraday trend, yes, went down, but overnight trend and overall trend has been up. And all it takes on a name like Tesla is one trade that gets that nice bottom in, super nice move up where you can just trail your stops up and really get a nice move. So that's what I look for in that scenario. We're holding below this 9 and 20, which I don't love. I don't chase longs. I don't chase anything, I should say. I don't chase positions. I trade on higher lows, lower highs, and A+ setups. Looks like we're going to fail this and go lower. If we do, my stop is right here, below these lows. No NQ trades today. No Nasdaq trades for me. No Nasdaq trades for me. Let's see what other data we have this week. What else we got cooking up this week for data? We have Jay Powell speaking tomorrow. We have existing home sales and some earnings, Google and Tesla on Wednesday. Initial jobless claims Thursday. PMI Thursday could be decent. And then durable goods Friday. So not a ton of data this week, a little bit. Little bit. Not a ton of great data, but could give us something. Don't. This is just not something that's tradable for me in the Nasdaq right now, guys. Just going straight up. Maybe if you were scalping on the 1 minute, sure. But on all the other higher time frames, just nothing for me. A lot of the Nasdaq names are just consolidating. Oh, Tesla just got my stop, everybody. Well, it's all right. Kept it small. 1200. We're up 1 hour, but this wasn't worth the juice wasn't worth the squeeze. No Nasdaq trades. 2 stabs at Tesla on that previous resistance turn support level. No dice there. No pullbacks to our EMAs, no pullbacks to our 15-minute high, no pullbacks to our pre-market high. Just slowly straight up on Nasdaq. So this type of price action, I'm not personally going to trade. I'm going to give it some more time, but I'm not gonna try and be a hero with that. Am I going to trade Power Hour? Not today. QBTS? A little bit. Yeah, I don't really trade those type of names, but I guess could. Netflix is barcoding. Google, nice move off the open of barcoding. Nvidia, a little bit of a breakout. Nvidia is decent. Nvidia is decent, but nothing now. All right, no Nasdaq trades yet. Gene, that Tesla annoyed me. care about my it's about my it's about my millions. No 1 minute trades for me. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, everybody choose discipline over dopamine. No need to force trades. You see a setup that you like, try it, manage your risk. You don't like any setups, there's no need to take any trades. For me today, I am 0 for 2 on stabs on Tesla, both small size. Getting back into individuals and no trades on the Nasdaq or on any sort of futures or options of indices. None of that. I have my levels set. For trend entries, just no dice. I live in Colorado and Wyoming. I split time there, but I'm from Nebraska originally. Yep, no high probability setups. Should I? Don't. As a reminder, y'all, I appreciate you using code Jdun on Apex, Tradeify, or FFF. If you're trading on prop firms, if you're trading futures, you can use code Jdun for 80% off Apex, 35% off Tradeify, or 40% off FFF. It means the world to me, and I will always do my best to help you be disciplined every day, to build a trading plan that works, and to pass your challenges and get funded. Hey, appreciate you. Yep, we stay very patient here, Digital Dad. We don't always win, but we do quite a bit. Looks like Nvidia was the one that got away today. We're not quite at high day yet, but I mean, that's the only one I really see a setup on. Tesla I liked. There's just no dice in it. Barcoding. Don't. I went to Lincoln East in Lincoln, Nebraska. No. I'm sorry, guys. I don't see anything I like on Nasdaq. Green Day, 25 points on NQ. Calling it today. Might do like girls and hit the beach. You should, bro. Someone asked about a Team Bull snowboarding meetup. I think that's going to be on the agenda for this next winter. Get all the boarders. No beginners, though. I'm just going to tell you right now, I don't ski or snowboard with the beginners. So if you want to come, get some lessons. In the most respectful way. Gene will tell you. Same thing. I said the same thing to you, didn't I? Yes. Gene's like, let's go snowboarding and skiing. I said, okay, cool, bro. Get some lessons. I'm not babysitting. and Gene's one of my boys here. If you're a skier or a snowboarder, you know. Yeah, why is the sauce? You can have the pizza already at the bottom. Pizza and drinks already at the bottom. Water for your boy, but I know some of you DGens will be sipping on some Fireball or beer or something. I used to love Fireball when I'd ski. That was all I drink. I know. I literally take shots of it. The antifreeze. Babysitting when skiing is brutal. Totally. So we're pulling back to this 400. It's too deep, or it's too high, excuse me, for me to try it. Like, even if we go and try to, it's going to be way high. Yeah, nope. Let's give it the benefit. Let's go here from the previous 15-minute high break to the high day. Even that still is down at 390, 50% retracement. So for me, I can't personally try that even at 400. It might be the spot. If any spot up here is going to be, it's probably going to be this 400, which you're seeing right now, 13 points later. You personally won't see me shorting all-time highs. Not just because they're high. Now, if we got some aggressive set of reversal candles here, I might try a short with stops above highs, but we have to have clear confirmation. Not just, oh, we're high, let's short. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. I'd say more often than not, it doesn't. I'm more of an epic type of guy when it comes to ski passes. Love me my epic pass. I do like Winter Park, though. Winter Park's cool.
Skiing or snowboarding?
I only ski. I don't do any snowboarding. I'd break my legs, bro.
I think you want to try snowboard.
You should. If you ever skateboarded, you'd probably be better at it. What's your setup? What do you mean? I don't have any setups right now. I'm just watching. I took 2 small losers on Tesla. Besides that, no Nasdaq trades, no ES trades, nothing else. Honestly, no more trades on Tesla for me either. Just barcoding. We have earnings this week, so that's honestly probably why. Got a nice move overnight. I kind of thought we'd have some nice continuation on a pullback down to previous resistance turn support. We just didn't. King, nice. Winter Park's awesome, man. I had a lot of friends that worked there and were ski bums. That's what they call them.
Really?
They're ski bums. They just work at the resort and ski every day. They probably definitely did some naughty things. I was watching this podcast on the way home from the mountains yesterday with Maddie. She didn't really know a lot about AI. By the end of it, she's like, oh my gosh, we're screwed. We're screwed. I was like, you don't understand what AGI is going to bring. We're going to see, it's my opinion that we're going to see the most change in a 5 to 10 year period that we've ever seen in human history times like 100. When super intelligence comes.
I mean, if you look at 100 years ago, we've already had a bunch of change. So that times 100.
I watched, we were watching, what was it? Let me find it for y'all. Yeah, it was on the Diary of a CEO, Godfather of AI. I tried to warn them we've already lost control with Geoffrey Hinton. Great interview. My ski setup. It's funny. I got some Salomons. Did I say it? Salomon? You know, people ask me all the time what I think AI will do to the market, and I have an interesting approach because the market works on inefficiencies, right? So when there's an inefficiency in the market, your job is to get in, right, when the time presents itself. So if right now a lot of the trading is already done by AI and by high frequency trading bots and algorithms, right? So there could be a day down the line where it gets so advanced, it's tougher for retail to make money. It's already tough where it gets tougher. But I think with supply and demand of the market, there will always be chances to make money. Maybe futures get tougher, but individual names get easier. Maybe individual names get tougher, but the whole S&P and Nasdaq as a whole get easier. It's never, we don't really know till it comes, but I always think there will be opportunity as a trader to make money. It's one of the cool things because even if AI does more in the markets and puts more volume in, still doesn't mean you can't be on the right side of those trades. That's how I look at it. This is your hourly reminder, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's see how this candle closes. Icelandic skis. I have to ask my boy Rob about that.
What is it called?
Icelandic skis?
Right.
I don't know. Maybe. I think so.
How much should skis cost?
They're expensive for good ones. That's not bad.
Gotta get Team Bull skis this season.
I swear, if Tesla ends up rebounding and moving on up, I'll be so salty. I even gave it a decent amount of room today on those trades. Apple, nothing. Google, no dice. Nvidia is even not doing a whole lot. And the problem with AI, like they talk about in the podcast, is that none of these companies are regulated. Europe at least has regulations on AI, but the problem is all right, well, let's say the US regulates AI. We tell our companies, Meta and OpenAI and Google and these people, well, you have to stop. You have to be careful with this. Well, guess who's not going to stop? China and Russia and India and all these other countries that, are in the race to have the best AI. All the mega countries. So unfortunately, what would be best for society is all these countries and companies come together and say, hey, we got to do what's best for people and not just profit. But that is just likely not going to happen. And with AI, it might not happen until it's too late. $390. I have an idea for a trade. Either A, we get a pop back up, show some weakness. We try shorts with a stop above like 410. Or B, we get a nice pullback for longs into this 350 area. View ops all the way down at 332. View ops all the way down. I respond to everyone. You don't have to donate anything. I guess people could send gifts on TikTok, but I don't think I've ever asked once for a donation or gift. I don't think that's ever happened. You know, I want you to use your money you make and support your family. I just appreciate if you want to give back, if you appreciate these streams, if you want to have more discipline, I appreciate you using code Jdun if you're trading on a funded futures account. They give me a small kickback. It means the world to me, and I'll always do my best to help you pass and stay disciplined. I'm not going to give you stupid trades to nuke your account like a lot of these guys do. So you can use code Jdun with ApexTraderFunding.com for 80% off. You can use it with Tradeify for 35% off or FFF for 40% off. People keep calling me, bro. Hello? Who's this? Hey, sorry, I'm in the middle of work right now, but yeah, we'll get that taken care of. Bye. Rare. It's AMD. Is AMD getting some volume? AMD's had some strength today. Nvidia with a nice reversal candle. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm likely we'll see. Give this market a little longer, but I'm not seeing a ton that I love. Oh, look at this stock. Oh, look at the Nasdaq. Reminds. Oh gosh. I was imitating that Coldplay concert. Oh, look at the Nasdaq. Now run and hide and give us a move. Not in any trades. I took 2 small losing trades on Tesla this morning. No trades on futures in the Nasdaq. No trades on ES or NQ. Just staying patient. I'm a day trader, not a trade everyday trader. So if I don't take any day trades on the Nasdaq, it's fine. We always got tomorrow. Mondays are my worst days anyway. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. That's right, baby. When you guys use code Jdun with Apex, you also get, or at Tradeify, you also get payout protection. If anything ever comes up with your payout, just know I always got your back. And they'll see that in the back end too. If they want to try anything funny, they'll see, oh crap, he used code Jdun. He knows Jdun. It's another perk. I always got your back. No, nothing new from me yet, guys. I was watching for that reject as we popped up, as I said, but I don't like how we had this reversal doji here move back up. So I'm personally just going to wait. Hey, let's go. 400 a day. That's right. That's all it takes. 400 a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. That's facts. Not seeing a whole lot, Team Bull. Oh, look at this Nasdaq. Just hit my daily goal. Thank you, Jdun. Honor Jesus and all you do, and God bless you. That's right, Kyle. God bless. All glory to God. That's right. I didn't call any winning trades, but I'm glad you caught something. Are you hitting the gym? You already know I am. I'll likely leave here in the next 15, 20 minutes for the gym. We'll see. Mondays, I just don't trade Mondays well. I just don't trade them well. Statistically, I haven't for the last year. Damn, let's see if that pop-up ends up paying. Oh, man. Woo. Give us a payday, Nasdaq. I really thought it was going to give us that nice money bags entry back down. Thought so. I primarily trade futures these days, but I've made a lot of money in the past trading options too. What's up, Premier? I recognize you from Discord, man, back in the day. Savage called some shorts. I don't hate the idea. I don't hate the idea. I don't love it enough to try it, but I think your risk reward right now is better if we get one more reversal candle to try shorts and get a move down to our bounce area. I just can't personally pull the trigger. Doesn't fit my system well enough. If you're a beginner, everyone, I highly recommend you take a second, hit that follow button, or if you're on YouTube, hit subscribe, and just join me every single day. Get a ton of experience watching someone. I've been doing this for 9 years. Watching someone who's been doing this for 9 years trade every day, stay patient, look for setups, stay disciplined. You're going to progress every single day if you can commit to hopping on at market open every morning, getting experience, managing risk, moving forward. Oh gosh, that might trigger a short setup. Let's see. Appreciate you being here and hitting that follow button. Thank you, Tori, FHI, Grace, Jalen. Appreciate all y'all. Appreciate y'all more than you know hitting that follow button. I'll use both. I'll trade props and I'll also trade my own money. Just depends. Primarily my own money, but I will trade some fundeds here and there. No trades for you today, Gene?
Yeah.
What?
Shorts and shorts since like 8:28 at like 9:08 or 4:08.
Nice. Nice.
Not 700.
Nice.
I had an extension up there. Extension. I think what we do is come down, test this at 368 area, and then potential move back up.
Yep, let it rip.
And maybe the we test the order back down there at like what 348. It would have been nice to catch some of those ones.
Let's see what our 50% retracement is from this high. Right around there right now. And it's not something I typically do, but we get a little more pullback into this 365 to 350. I'll look for longs. Don't. Got my guru water, the Mountain Valley spring water, baby. Stuff is fire. Stuff is fire. I drink at least a gallon a day of water. I drink a lot of water. Usually like a gallon, 1.25 up to a gallon and a half. I mean, I'm a big boy. 6'7", you got to drink a lot of water. Got to drink a lot of water. I appreciate you. You added up, baby. I haven't gotten a tattoo for a long time, but I need to get back in the lab. Thought about getting some leg tats. I just honestly haven't had any itch to. Am I good at basketball? They always say 6'7", no way, bro. You don't understand. Every time I meet someone in person, they say, oh my gosh. Jdun, you're way taller than I thought you were. You're used to it. You know Jack and the Beanstalk? I'm the Beanstalk. I'm the trading Beanstalk. Should have called myself the tall trader. Tallest trader. The tallest trader who can dunk and ball on everyone at the same time. I like the height. I like being 6'7". I mean, it has its pros and cons for sure. I mean, you like, for example, with my Lambo, it's so hard to fit in that puppy. For jeans, it's tough to shop. For shoes, the kid, I'm size 15. So if I'm in size 15, you got about 2 or 3 choices. Your boy's got clown feet. Can't even fit it on the screen. But you know what? It comes in handy for quite a few things too. My dad was 6'10", and my mom is like 5'9.5", 5'10". So they're both really tall as well. Skyscraper trades. Skyscraper trades. I'm 2 meters. I have no clue what a meter is, but in terms of, is that 3 feet? I'm over 2 meters. I heard the Pacers didn't do big man. I'll come for a year. I'll take Halliburton's spot for a year while he's resting up. Your boy can ball. Your boy can ball. Am I? What is that? 6 feet?
It's like 3. Yeah, it's like 6. It's like 3.2 feet for every meter. Ish.
Ho, bored. Yeah, Greg, nothing for me on NQ yet either. Just watching price action. Water and corn, that's all. I weigh 225 pounds. No, Skirvin. That's Greg. Danny hasn't been a part of Team Bull for 5 months now. I wish him the best. Greg, you say you're trying longs? Greg tried the longs. I'm not taking anything, just so you guys are aware. I'm not taking longs. Greg took longs inside Team Bull. Stop losses at 74. Hope it nukes for you, bro. Hope it nukes for you, dog. I'm likely a no trades on. It's likely a no trades on NQ type of day for me, but I hope it prints for you. What's your price target? Mega trade. That's what it is. Let's see what trading assistant's saying. Strong up, buy dips. It likes the longs too. Once again, what are you talking about? Only promoting but not helping people. What do you mean? What do you mean? Doesn't even make sense. I'm not in anything. What am I supposed to help with? What am I supposed to do? I'm so sorry. I should be flying to your house and trading for you. That is my bad. That is my apologies, my friends. That gallon of water. It's getting to me. I had to use the restroom, and I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right back, you guys. Going to take a leak. Be right back. Be right back.
Hello guys, how are we doing today? What's up guys? How's it going? Oh, I'm gonna blow his account, should I? The real boss has arrived. I'm doing good, man. I'm still sitting in the trade.
What up?
People are talking to me.
Say hi to everybody.
Someone said the real boss is here.
The real boss has arrived.
Yep.
I was just filling in for Gene while I was gone.
Yep.
What are you watching?
Still in shorts.
You watching Brandon's stream?
Yeah.
You take anything?
Where's the map? Nope. He's just sitting. He's boring.
Bro said Brandon's boring.
Bro, he doesn't even say anything.
That's crazy. I said I seen Gene watching Brandon's stream. He said, I'm for Book Mad, but he's boring. You be nice to Brandon. He's sensitive.
Very sensitive.
Oh my gosh. And cheap.
And a little girl because he didn't want to jump in the water.
Yeah, bro. So we all went out to St. Mary's Glacier, okay? Me, Gene, my friends Brady and Andrew, GD. You guys know GD. Everyone cliff jumps into the lake except for Brandon. I don't want to get in. It's cold. That's crazy.
Dude, I want to go back so bad.
That was awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Too much climbing. Hey, don't get it twisted. That jump we did was no joke.
Oh, man, I thought I was going to die.
Bro, it was cold. I mean, the water was cold. I like it, though. It's probably 38 degrees, 40 degrees. Yep, Azot, that's right.
You could drink that water straight up.
Oh, yeah, totally.
There's fishes in there.
Trouts. Bro was very chilly. He said, well, my shorts are going to get wet. Weenie. That was awesome.
Brandon must be watching me or something because he's like, I have my dog.
Bro's listening in.
Yeah, somebody said, Brandon, why don't you flip you?
Holding below the 9. Is this how typical trades go every day in Team Bull? No. I mean, you ask the chat how I typically do. Don't ask me. I've taken no trades on Nasdaq today. I took 2 small losers on Tesla earlier, but no trades on futures. Don't take my word for how I do every day. If you join in, just come join. Watch me for a week. See what you think. Judge me on my performance. I win some out. Well, I win a lot. I lose a little. And if I don't see a trade, I don't take trades. Like today, I took 2 baby stabs at Tesla, didn't work out, but no futures trades. This market's got 8 more minutes for me. And I'm out of here. One of the big dogs. Oh, stay impatient, everybody. What's up, champ? What's good, big dog? Says the real OG gangster, Mr. Trading Champ. I didn't catch nothing today. Didn't catch anything. No, me neither, bro. Well, actually, technically, I lost 2 trades on Tesla, but as far as futures go, I didn't catch anything. So I am technically red on the day on individuals, but as far as futures go, no trades. Hopefully, you guys can get that nice move up. Oh my gosh, Gene, look at this guy at St. Mary's. This is where we jump from. See this?
Yeah, I know. I was looking at that spot up there. Ooh.
On the back. Oh.
I don't know how you did that. I was terrified when we were
Oh,
at.
man.
Honestly, if I wasn't with you guys, I wouldn't have jumped. My friends influenced me to be strong.
Oh my gosh, bro. That's crazy. Look at this. This is where we went cliff jumping, but bro jumped from like the top. Check this out. We jumped off here. Oh, the backflip. We were all jumping from right here. It's like 20 plus feet. Bro said, screw it. I'm going from the top. It's like me just ripping into some shorts I know I shouldn't take. Just full send. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. I'll put it on the TikTok too. Hold on. So where he went, okay? We were doing it over here where you see the people. Bro said, screw it. I'm going full send from the top. Oh, right on the back. Oh, man. Hopefully this rips for you. Hopefully this rips for you, Greg.
Yeah, waiting. Thinking about loss is still at 74.
Push it up for the team. Push it up for them. I seen Open Door was having a crazy day too. Entry would have been that break above pre-market high. Hopefully y'all can move up, baby. You just got to break it to hold that 400. You don't get that. You ain't getting no trend. You ain't getting no trend. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing on Tesla, Nvidia, nothing. Apple, Google. Netflix is having a little trend up, but nothing much. Come on. As a reminder, everyone, I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button. And if you guys would like an invite to the free Discord, I trade live there free Friday every single week. I have tons of prop firm education and discounts. DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the Discord. It's the best place to learn from me on a daily basis. Obviously, I do these live streams to help you guys, but the Discord, you got to be there. If you have a Discord account, there's a lot of value in the free version too. Stay patient, y'all. It's all about your discipline. Oh, I think we're going to get off here soon, guys. Not seeing a whole lot that I love. Don't. Open is ripping. Just ripping. I did, Sam. I took 2 small trades on Tesla, both of which were losers, but no trades on the Nasdaq, no trades on futures or options. Just some equity on Tesla I lost on. Kept it small. I lost $1,200, but 2 losses on Tesla, so I'm done trading that name for the day. No more individuals. Appreciate the content today, Jdun. Even if you don't take anything, help me reaffirm being patient. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for being here, man. It's my goal every single day to help you guys be disciplined, help you be patient, and show you what patience looks like in real time. Trading can be lonely, but it doesn't have to be with Team Bull. See if y'all can get that move up finally. Hopefully you do. Hopefully I'll get that nice move up. Come on, rip it for him. Rip it for Mr. Greg. You guys see those 2 massive Bitcoin wallets activated and sold? One, 5, 9, 7, 9. Hopefully it rips up for you, brother. Let's see. Let it pump for you. Let it pump for him. Coming for buy side liquidity. We'll see. See if we're coming for buy side liquidity. I think I'm going for gym liquidity here soon. About to be out for the day. Do me and my boyfriend work out together? Gene, do we work out together?
What the hell?
I wasn't supposed to tell anyone. Sorry. Caught me, Mr. Babar. Don't tell Maddie. Please just don't tell my fiance. Don't tell my wife, please. All right, guys, I'm going to do you all a favor. You guys know what happens when I leave for the gym, so I'm sure any moment now you guys will get a nice pump up to high a day or a nice flush down to the 60s. Any second now that I'm going to leave for the day and go to the gym, I'm sure it's coming. So appreciate y'all being a part of Team Bull. Make sure y'all trade smart, trade safe, choose discipline over dopamine. We'll be back live tomorrow morning. Yep. I'll see y'all later. Hopefully your lungs print, Greg. I'm sure now that I'm leaving, you guys will get a big move any second now. That's just how it works, how the universe is plumbed and what happens. So God bless y'all. Have a great day. Bye, Greg. I'm going to make you the host. I just mentioned I'm leaving and it starts moving. I'm leaving, NQ. I'm leaving for the day. I'm going to the gym. Here I go. I'm walking out, starting the car. I'm definitely leaving right now, this second. Goodbye. Wow. Wow. Yep. Here I go. Closing out the browser. Brokers closed down. Leaving. Here I go. Toodaloo. See you later. Hasta luego. Adios. All right, y'all. I'm actually leaving, though. Here, enjoy your pump. Love you all. Goodbye. See you guys. Make sure y'all hit that follow button. Hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube. I'll be live tomorrow again at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time at Market Open. So trade smart, trade safe. Thank you all for being here. And as a reminder, if you want to trade futures with me, use code Jdun at apextraderfunding.com. Use code Jdun, 80% off. I like the 100Ks and the 50Ks. Or Tradeify. They have straight to funded, so you can skip the eval. I also like the 100K growth challenges there. Trade smart, trade safe. See you guys later. God bless and peace. Adios, YouTube.